Welcome back to the beginner room. Welcome back to the beginner's bar. Scott here. Alright, well, let's make a whiskey sour. Now the whiskey sour is very easy. So essentially, whiskey, going to use rye or Forester, lemon, simple syrup, and we will need an egg white. So before we get started, I'm going to take this large cube, and I'm going to put it in the freezer to let it chill. And I went and picked myself up an egg. That way I can use the egg white. Alright, let's get into making this cocktail. So now let's slice the lemon. Get yourself about 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now we're going to need the same of simple syrup, which I am low on. Going to need 2 ounces of whiskey. You can actually use whatever whiskey you want. Again, I'm using Old Forester. 1, 2. So I forgot to flip the tin. Now grab the big tin. Need an egg white. Tap on a flat surface with an egg white. Introduce the cocktail. Now we need to do what's known as a dry shake. Line it up. Good pop. Give it a good couple shakes. Good hard shake. And one thing, when you do a dry shake, be careful. The cold air from ice condenses the tins, and when you're mixing and when you're shaking, without it, it will try to expand and blow apart on you. Another hard shot. Gonna reintroduce the cocktail into the small tin, so I can go ahead and grab my ice. Still have crushed ice left over. Just gonna throw it into this big tin. Reintroduce the cocktail. Give it a pop. Soft shakes. 9, 10. It's cold. Go. Grab your chilled coupe glass. And I'm going to double strain because I saw part of a lemon seed in here, so double strain for clarity. Into the large chilled coupe. And now I'm going to use Peychaud's bitters. And what you want to do is just put a couple drops on the head. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have a whiskey sour. Cheers. Refreshing, classic. The lemon works well with the rye. Add in the egg white, make it nice and creamy. Make it silky. Delicious. Highly recommend trying it if you haven't. One more thing though, again, with the egg white and when you dry shake, the reason you dry shake is the citrus juice will actually cook the egg. Well, cook the egg white a little bit. The acid will neutralize what could be there. But if you want to be 100% safe, then what you could do is get pasteurized eggs. I used organic. Pick which one you will. Take your own choice into consideration. This is delicious. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe. Comment, what cocktail do you want me to do next? You can find me on Twitter at BeginnerBar. Find me on Instagram at BeginnersBar. You can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_inc. Find me on my personal YouTube channel, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. I go live Thursday and Saturday nights. Could easily decide to make a cocktail. Could easily play some games. And join my Discord, link also down below. All my barware and all my tools are also down in links below. And thank you for watching. This has been The Beginner's Bar. I will see you next time with another cocktail.